Welcome back to Interior Inspirations. Today we're diving into one of the most transformative elements of bedroom design, lighting. Whether you're aiming for a cozy retreat or a stylish sanctuary, the right lighting can make all the difference. Let's explore some amazing bedroom lighting ideas to help you create the perfect ambience. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about ambient lighting. This is your main source of light and sets the overall tone for the room. Common options include ceiling lights, chandeliers, and floor lamps. For a warm and inviting feel, consider using dimmable LED bulbs. This allows you to adjust the brightness to suit different activities and moods. Next, we have task lighting. This type of lighting is essential for specific activities like reading, working, or hobbies. Table lamps, floor lamps, and adjustable wall sconces are great for providing focused light where you need it most. Now, let's move on to accent lighting. Accent lighting is all about adding depth and highlighting the unique features of your bedroom. Use LED strip lights to illuminate shelves, artwork, or architectural details. This creates a stunning visual effect and makes your decor pop. Another great idea is to use statement lighting pieces. A bold chandelier or a unique floor lamp can serve as a focal point in your bedroom, adding character and style. Don't forget about natural light. Make the most of your windows by using sheer curtains to let in plenty of daylight. This not only brightens up the room but also creates a sense of openness. And there you have it. With these bedroom lighting ideas, you can transform your space into a cozy, stylish, and welcoming retreat. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Interior Inspirations, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!